Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Hey, we've got another engine here that came out of a part out boat. This one's a 2003 Volvo Penta 3.0 GLPB. 150 PSI on all 4 cylinders. New spark plugs, new oil filter, and the oil has been changed. The carburetor may need to be gone through. We're just not getting that deep into them. Charge more money. So we'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. We also went through and did the cap and rotor. Go ahead and turn the water on. Fire back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.